Eat these 5 fruits to prevent heart attack. Have you ever noticed how some people, despite leading busy or stressful lives, still have strong, healthy hearts? Or wondered if a simple dietary change could lower your risk of a heart attack? Many people overlook the power of certain fruits to support healthy blood pressure, manage cholesterol, and reduce inflammation. According to the World Health Organization, heart and blood vessel diseases claim about 17.9 million lives worldwide each year. Studies also show that people who eat fruit daily lower their heart disease risk by nearly 30%. In this video, we will explore 5 research-backed fruits, explain how they protect your heart, and offer easy ways to include them in your meals. Let us begin. The first fruit on our list is berries, especially blueberries. Many types of berries are good for your heart, including strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. But blueberries stand out because they contain a large amount of anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants. These compounds give blueberries their deep blue or purple color and help reduce swelling in your blood vessels. When your blood vessels are more relaxed and flexible, it is easier for blood to flow without creating too much pressure. Research from several large studies has shown that people who eat at least 1 cup of blueberries a few times per week often have lower blood pressure and better cholesterol levels than those who rarely eat berries. This effect is partly because blueberries can help protect the lining of blood vessels and stop plaque from building up too fast. If you want to add blueberries or other berries to your diet, there are many easy ways. You can sprinkle them on oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, use them as a topping for yogurt, or add them to salads. If fresh berries cost too much or are not in season, frozen berries are a good alternative. They keep most of their nutrients because they are usually frozen quickly after being picked. Try to aim for 3 to 4 servings of berries per week to get the most benefits. Even one small change like that can make a noticeable difference in your heart health over time. If you have found any of this information useful, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Supporting our channel helps more people learn about simple steps to improve their health. Now that we have covered blueberries and the power of berries, let us move on to the second fruit on our list, which is often linked to the famous saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." Apples might seem ordinary, but they have some impressive heart benefits. They contain a type of soluble fiber called pectin. This kind of fiber helps lower LDL cholesterol, which many people call the bad cholesterol because it can build up in your arteries and lead to blockages over time. Apples also have a plant chemical called quercetin, which fights inflammation and oxidative stress. Chronic inflammation is one of the hidden causes of heart disease, so having apples regularly can help keep this issue in check. Studies published in several nutrition journals have found that people who eat apples daily can see a drop in total cholesterol levels and a better balance between LDL, bad cholesterol, and HDL, good cholesterol. Another bonus is that apples help your blood vessels stay flexible and strong, which means better blood flow and less strain on your heart. In terms of convenience, apples are one of the most portable snacks you can get. You can eat them raw or slice them up and pair them with nut butter for some protein. Sliced apples can also add sweetness and crunch to salads. If you have more time, you can bake them with a bit of cinnamon for a healthy dessert. If you already enjoy apples, keep at it. Your heart may thank you. Next, let us talk about citrus fruits, especially oranges. Citrus fruits are well known for their vitamin C content, which boosts your immune system and helps your body produce collagen. Collagen supports the health of your blood vessels, which is important for proper blood circulation. Oranges also have a good amount of potassium, a mineral that helps balance fluids and manage blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major factor in heart disease, so getting enough potassium can help keep those numbers under control. In one study reported in the Journal of Epidemiology, people who often ate citrus fruits tended to have better cholesterol levels and lower blood pressure. That is important because cholesterol and blood pressure together can form a harmful combination for the heart if they remain uncontrolled. When adding oranges or other citrus fruits like grapefruits or mandarins to your meals, try to stick to whole fruits whenever possible. That way, you also get the fiber that helps control your blood sugar. Many store-bought fruit juices contain added sugar, which can work against you if you are trying to protect your heart. If you really like juice, freshly squeeze your own oranges at home or watch your portion sizes carefully. Now that you know how apples and citrus fruits can help your heart, I encourage you to like, share, and subscribe if you have not already done so. It is a small action, but it helps us create more helpful health content for you. Moving forward, let us continue to the next fruits on our list that can provide a strong defense against heart disease. Now we come to a fruit that has been prized for centuries: pomegranates. Pomegranates are known for their bright red color, juicy seeds, called arils, and sweet tart flavor. They also have strong antioxidant properties. One of the main antioxidants in pomegranates is punicalagin, which works to stop the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. Oxidized LDL cholesterol is more likely to form plaque in your arteries, so keeping it under control is key to preventing heart attacks. Some studies even suggest that pomegranate juice can improve blood flow and may help reduce arterial plaque. In one study reported in the journal Atherosclerosis, people who drank pomegranate juice every day for a year had better blood vessel function and lower markers of oxidative stress compared to those who had a placebo drink. Adding pomegranates to your diet can be fun, but it can also be a bit messy if you are not used to peeling or seeding them. Luckily, there are plenty of tutorials online that show fast and easy ways to remove the seeds. If you have trouble finding fresh pomegranates or you do not like peeling them, you can buy containers of pomegranate arils in many grocery stores. These seeds can make a colorful and nutritious topping for salads, yogurt, oatmeal, or even ice cream if you like a mix of sweet and tangy flavors. Another option is to drink pomegranate juice, but watch out for the sugar content. Fruit juices, even natural ones, can still have a lot of sugar without the fiber that helps manage blood sugar levels. Moderation is important. The fifth fruit on our list might surprise some people because it often gets classified as a vegetable. We are talking about avocados. Avocados are technically fruits, and they are incredibly heart-friendly because they are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats. These are the same types of fats found in olive oil, and they have been shown to help lower LDL cholesterol levels and might even help raise HDL, the good cholesterol. Avocados also contain more potassium than bananas, and getting enough potassium is a key factor in controlling blood pressure. High blood pressure can wear out your arteries and increase the risk of blockages over time, so avocados give you a helpful 1-2 punch by providing both healthy fats and important minerals. Research in the Journal of the American Heart Association showed that when people replaced some of their saturated fats with avocados, they saw a noticeable drop in LDL cholesterol. Another study found that diets rich in monounsaturated fats were linked to lower rates of metabolic syndrome, which is a group of conditions, including high blood pressure, high blood sugar, and abnormal cholesterol levels, that raise the risk of heart disease and stroke. You can enjoy avocados in many ways. One of the most popular is spreading mashed avocado on whole grain toast and adding toppings like tomato or a sprinkle of salt and pepper. You can also mix avocados into smoothies to make them creamy or dice them up for salads. And of course, there is the classic guacamole, which pairs well with vegetables or whole grain crackers. Keep in mind that avocados have a high calorie count because of their healthy fat content, so watch your servings if you are managing your overall calorie intake. Still, having an avocado a day, or even a few times a week, can be a good move for your heart when balanced with other healthy foods. Now that we have covered all 5 fruits, berries, apples, citrus fruits, pomegranates, and avocados, let us talk about how to fit them into a long-term eating plan that supports your heart. Variety is key. Each fruit has unique nutrients, antioxidants, and benefits, so mixing them throughout the week can help you stay motivated and enjoy your meals. For breakfast, You might top your oatmeal with blueberries and sliced apples or blend a quick smoothie with berries and half an avocado for creaminess. At lunch, try a salad that includes apple slices or orange segments, along with some pomegranate seeds sprinkled on top for a burst of color. If you are making a sandwich, replace mayonnaise with mashed avocado and add some vegetables. During snack time, choose a piece of whole fruit like an apple, a small bowl of berries, or half an avocado with a pinch of seasoning. If you want a fresh taste in the evening, consider making a citrus-based salad dressing or adding pomegranate seeds to your usual side dishes. For dessert, you could opt for baked apples, a bowl of mixed berries, or even an orange if you want something lighter. On top of choosing the right fruits, there are some other tips that research shows are important for heart health. Drink enough water to keep your blood flow strong and steady. Try to stay away from highly processed foods that tend to have a lot of salt, trans fats, and artificial ingredients. Also, combine your fruit intake with other high-fiber foods like whole grains. Think brown rice, whole grain bread, and quinoa, because fiber helps regulate both your blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Do not forget the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids, which you can find in fish like salmon or plant sources such as chia seeds and flax seeds. These healthy fats further protect your heart by lowering harmful triglycerides. Physical activity is also a great partner to a fruit-rich diet. Even simple exercises like walking or doing yoga can boost your heart function. If you have special health conditions or concerns, consider talking to a registered dietitian or healthcare provider to figure out the best fruit choices for you. Before we wrap up, let us quickly recap our 5 heart-friendly fruits. Berries, especially blueberries, give you antioxidants called anthocyanins that lower blood pressure and reduce inflammation. Apples have soluble fiber and quercetin, both of which help manage cholesterol and keep your blood vessels flexible. Citrus fruits like oranges provide vitamin C, potassium, and flavonoids that can balance cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Pomegranates offer punicalagins and other antioxidants that help slow plaque buildup in the arteries. Finally, avocados supply healthy monounsaturated fats and potassium, making them a great option for controlling blood pressure and maintaining a healthy cholesterol balance. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the top 5 fruits that can help prevent heart attacks. We hope this information shows you how simple choices, like grabbing an apple or slicing up some avocado, can go a long way toward protecting your heart. If you enjoyed this video or found any of the tips helpful, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. By doing so, you help us reach more people who might benefit from this science-based health advice. Keep including these fruits in your meals, and you will be taking a strong step toward a healthier heart, better circulation, and a lower risk of heart attacks in the long run. Here is to a stronger, happier life, one piece of fruit at a time.